Hello, in front of me I have Honor Magic V6, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart this phone. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our device. First and the recommended method is a reboot through the power menu. To launch the power menu we need to hold the power key and volume up for around 1 second, and as you can see, now it has turned on automatically. Now, all you gotta do is to tap on the restart button, and then if you tap again, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and the phone will be ready to use back again. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during the reboot our phone rests for a moment so it can help with its performance, and also if your device is lagging, it can also help, and for example in situations when certain apps doesn't want to launch at all, that's also the moment when you can perform the reboot and everything will be okay. When it comes to the second method, it's the forced restart, and to perform it we gotta hold the power key and volume down for around 10 seconds at the same time. Don't worry that you have taken a screenshot, sometimes it happens. All you gotta do is to keep waiting. This this method is recommended, for example, when our device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. That's the moment when you can perform the forced restart and everything should be okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.